What is going on? So this is how to withdraw and sell Hamster Kombat tokens. So ensure your currency wallet is linked to your Hamster Kombat account, and after that gonna convert coins to tokens. Follow the game's instructions to complete this process. Make sure your wallet is prepared to receive the tokens by ensuring it's properly linked and verified. After that, you're gonna withdraw the tokens. Use a tone-based wallet like Tonekeeper and manage withdraw your hamster coins. Selling tokens. Once the hamster tokens are listed or on exchanges, you can sell them directly. Ensure you are prepared and know the process beforehand to take advantage of the potential price bumps immediately after listing. Trading on exchanges. When the Hamster Kombat hamster token launches on the Tone blockchain, it would become available to trade on decentralized exchange DEXs within the Tone ecosystem. When you can transfer your tokens to these exchanges and sell them for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Withdraw funds. After selling your tokens, transfer the proceeds from your exchange wallet to your bank account or another external wallet. Be mindful of the trading fees or withdrawal fees. Recommended exchange. Bitget is leading crypto exchange and Web3 company that supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 500 altcoin, including potentially Hamster token. You can consider using Bitget for trading and selling your Hamster Kombat tokens. And that is it.